Hi, I'm Kathleen Reel, founder of BeFreeForMe.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make a gluten-free muffin. It's a great chocolate chip maple banana muffin. So let's get started. First, I'm going to line two 12-cup muffin tins with paper liners. Next, I'm going to add the maple, and I use real Vermont maple syrup, into my mashed bananas, and I'm just going to blend it. In a large bowl, I'm going to blend the 1.5 cups of sugar with the 1.5 sticks of melted butter. And I'm just going to stir that up real good. Next, I'm going to add the eggs and the mashed bananas. This is about 2 cups. I just really want to stir this up good, get those eggs incorporated. After it's all blended, you're just going to set this bowl aside. Next, we're going to whisk together the dry ingredients, which would be the gluten-free all-purpose flour. We have 2 3/4 cups. The xanthan gum, 1 teaspoon, 2.5 teaspoons of baking powder, and about 1 teaspoon of salt. And we're just going to blend this up till it's well incorporated. And I think that's perfect there. Next, we're going to add all of the dry ingredients to the egg mixture. And we're going to stir it up so it's all blended. Make sure you use a nice big bowl for this so you can really get the mixing going on good here. That xanthan gum really gets your baked goods, your gluten-free baked goods, sticking together. If you didn't use it, you'd have a big pile of crumbs. And this is a nice muffin that you can serve for breakfast because it has that maple, which is real a breakfasty type of smell to it. Okay, so here I am just finishing up stirring, and I promise you that the rest of the recipe when you're making it is not going to make you as tired as you're going to be right now. It's a good arm workout getting this batter all blended up, but well worth it. Okay, next you're just going to take the batter and put them into the baking tins that are lined. And don't worry too much if you get it on the sides. It's not a big deal. After they're done baking, you can just kind of break it right off. And you just want to fill it up about 1/3, half full. I'd say a half full. Next, we're going to take the chocolate chips and sprinkle a few, actually I like more than a few, on top of our muffins. Next, we're going to take some coarse sugar and sprinkle a little bit on top of each muffin to give it that nice, fresh bakery look. Next, we have a preheated 350-degree oven, and we're going to put our chocolate chip maple banana muffins right in there, right in the middle rack for 25 to 30 minutes, or until a toothpick that's inserted into the top of the muffin comes out clean. Okay, so the muffins are out of the oven. They look great. We've sprinkled a little bit more of the coarse sugar right on top for that bakery look, and that's it. That is how you make chocolate chip maple banana muffins gluten-free style. I'm Kathleen Reel, founder of BeFreeForMe.com, your source for saving, sampling, and sharing gluten and allergen free.